In this video, we're going to be solving an equation which contains a variable raised to a fractional exponent. We'll be taking a look at 2x to the 11 halves minus 6 equals 0. I want to solve my equation for x, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to isolate my variable on one side of the equation. I'll start by adding 6 to both sides, and that gives me 2x to the 11 halves equals positive 6. Now I'll divide 2 from both sides of the equation, and that leaves me with x to the 11 halves equals 3. Now I don't want to solve for x to the 11 halves. I want to solve for x to the first power. So what I need to do is to take x to the 11 halves and raise it to its reciprocal, 2 11ths. Now what I do on one side of the equation I have to do on the other, so I'm going to also raise 3 to the 2 11ths. Note that if my denominator here was an even number, then I would need to place a plus or minus in front of the 3. But since I have an odd number, 11, I don't use this plus or minus symbol. Instead, I'll evaluate my equation, x to the 11 halves raised to the 2 11ths. 11 times 2 equals 22. 2 times 11 equals 22. X to the 22 over 22. Well, 22 divided by 22 equals 1, so here we simply have x to the first power, or x. So I have x equals 3 to the 2 11ths. Our equation is complete. We have one solution. That's it for this video, and I hope you have found it helpful.